everyone, I'm Kat. Welcome to my channel. You have arrived. For today's video, I am very excited to share with you how I take care of my nails. So I'm going to be showing you how I push back my cuticles and how I hydrate my nails to keep them as healthy and as strong as I can. And I'm going to be sharing my favorite cuticle repair treatment oil here from Oh My Natural. So if you want to check it out, stick around and keep watching. And if you enjoy this video, hit that like button. And if you're not already, don't forget to subscribe. And here's the tool that I'm going to be using to push back my cuticle. I absolutely love this. I got it from Walgreens. I actually have two of them. I keep one in my purse and one just kind of travels around my house. So you saw the push end, and then this is the little remover end. Just use with caution. It is sharp. Using the cuticle pusher end, I'm going to go ahead and start and pushing back the cuticle. So if you don't know, the cuticle is like the extra skin and kind of gunk that like grows up on the nail, and sometimes it can harden if it's not moisturized or taken care of, and you want to push that back because the cuticle prevents the nail from growing quickly. Yes, your nails are still going to grow, but they're going to grow at a much slower pace. So you want to try to kind of just slide that cuticle pusher right there at the base where the nail is and keep pushing back that cuticle. So the base of the nail is not the cuticle. I've learned it is actually the eponychium. I think I'm saying that right. So the eponychium is really important. I know in a lot of manicures, they like to cut those off. I've also learned to not do that. Try to keep the eponychium there because it is meant to prevent germs and like fungus and bacteria from getting up and into your finger, and that would be a major problem. So you want to try to leave that alone, and pushing back the cuticle and moisturizing your nails is what's going to help to prevent the necessity of cutting that off. So it won't be hard and like crusty, it'll stay soft and push back. I haven't cut off an eponychium on my nail for probably about 3 years now. So if you really take care of them, there's no need to cut that off. So here we go. I'm just continuing to push back, and then I kind of take the pusher and just scrape around, and it's really gentle. It might look a little bit like, ooh, that's a little rough, but it doesn't hurt at all. Time to use the cutter. So popping the top off and focusing on this dry area. Now I can't emphasize enough, be very careful when you're using this tool, this side of the tool. Do not push down hard, and make sure you're only using it on dry skin. If the skin is not completely dry and hardened, I would suggest using like little scissors, like nail scissors, or maybe some clippers. So, but it's super helpful, but just be careful. Moving on to the other hand, we're just going to keep working on pushing back that cuticle. So we're going to breeze right through it. And I wanted to share real quick this whole nail routine that I have, the pushing back the cuticle and the hydrating of the nails. I learned all of this stuff from an amazing natural nail guru. Her name is Tati. She's based in Miami, Florida. And I actually even had, like, I say the honor, I had a blast going and having her do my nails as well, because I am very much a DIY nail tech, but she did my nails and they were amazing. I absolutely love her. She's great. You guys got to follow her here on YouTube and on Instagram. So all of this fun stuff is from her. I'll even link her video for pushing back the cuticles and hydrating, so you can learn all the fun stuff too. Time to put the tool away until next time. Moving on to the cuticle repair treatment. Both of these items are from Oh My Natural, which is owned from Tati from Oh My Gel. She created these amazing products. This one here is a balm, and I take this one on the go. You just rub it on the base of your nail and rub it in, close it up, put it back in your purse, and you're ready to have nail treatment on the go. But I want to focus on this one. This is the star of the show, the cuticle repair treatment from Oh My Natural. And this is amazing because Tati's products, they are handmade in Miami, Florida, with globally sourced ingredients, 100% natural, vegan, and cruelty-free. If you want to get the list of all the ingredients that are in the balm and the oil, I am going to have those in the description box below, so you guys can check those out. So as you see, I put one little dot of oil on each nail, and then I first just kind of sloppily work it around. Then I go in with my thumb and index finger, and I'm not going back and forth on my nail. I'm really working it into the skin. So I'm going back and forth on each side. Then I like to get the pad of my finger. Then I'll go back to the top and work it up into the base of my nail. And it's amazing. Once that's all in, any excess that I have, I'll continue to work it down and across my hand, the top of my hand, gotta stay moisturized, and my elbows as well. And I love it doesn't leave a greasy residue. Oh, that's my favorite thing. I hate the greasiness at the end. This does not do this. The balm or the oil, no greasy residue. And then we're gonna continue on to the other hand, so let's breeze right through it. And that is it. Thank you so much, everyone, for hanging out with me and checking out my nail care routine. I hope you enjoyed it. Now, these month-old nails need to be redone, so I'm going to hop into that new gel nail set. But thank you so much for hanging out with me, and I hope you do check out these amazing products from Oh My Natural, and don't forget to follow Tati from Oh My Gel. All right, all my DIY nail techs, my makeup lovers, and my curl friends, I hope you'll come back next week for another video. Take care.
One more. Perfect.